Hello, my name is Michael, and this is my channel, Pop Culture Masculinity, but one where I want to present a view of masculinity that is typically different from all the other takes out there. The purpose of this channel is to provide a safe haven of sorts for those who might be tempted by the dark side of overwhelming negativity towards the opposite sex by socially challenged, yet otherwise upstanding men. We'll delve in this topic in lots of fun ways. Number 1, describing what the landscape is for men right now on the internet. Hint, it's not good. Number 2, dissecting movies and pop culture and its effect on the modern male, for good or for ill, and the lessons we can learn from this. Number 3, having the occasional guest on to discuss this or other topics with me. Now, one might ask, what makes you so qualified to host a show like this? Well, not to get too personal, but I've had my fair share of rejection in the past and was quite socially awkward in my formative years, adolescence through my 20s. But I now live a happy and moderately successful life with a wonderful wife and 2 loving daughters. So I'm here to help guide the way to show you how male-female dynamics work, how to navigate between the positive and negative philosophies out there, because it can be very confusing for a guy nowadays. If you're interested in hearing more, feel free to like and subscribe. The next video will be a breakdown of the online communities out there, their philosophies, and their specific terminologies. And the one after that will be a fun little commentary on a popular film and its effect on masculinity and its perception at large. Stay tuned.